y'all? I am so excited about my vlog stick. It goes with the Sony ZV-1 camera. So I'm just going to cut the camera on so that you can see that the lens extends, and then we'll pull out the mirrorless camera view. And then if you just press on the buttons here, you can record or take pictures just from the stick. You don't even have to touch the camera. So that's what I really love about it, and it helps with stabilization for vlogs. I am so excited about my new accessories. So first, I definitely want to say that if you like any of these things, the links for them are below in the description box. But I definitely also want to make sure, which I should have said this first, which is that I thank the eBrand Club so much for the scholarship, because this was able to fund my additional accessories. So I'm so excited to use my mount. I'm so excited to use my vlog stick. So there's just a couple more things that I actually want to get, and those things are super simple. I want a wider lens, so I've seen that on Think Media's channel, and I think that the difference is huge. It not only goes farther back, but it also gives me a wider view. It's literally, I believe, only one lens according to everybody, because this isn't a camera where you buy an additional lens. You have to like put the attachment onto it. So I'm super excited to get the additional lens. That's my one additional accessory that I like to get. And my next additional accessory that I like to get is an additional tripod. So I am currently using the tripods that I used with my ring lights when I first started recording, and I was only using my phone. So now that I'm no longer using my phone primarily, but I'm primarily using the camera, I would like to have a tripod that's a little bit more stronger, one that's a little bit more taller, so I can do like standing videos, or I can just do a video standing up. I can do one now, so I probably will do my next video standing up. We shall see. But I do feel like this tripod is not as durable as it could be. So like if I'm traveling around, I get a little worried about it with that. The tripod and the lens are the only two things that I would like to get in addition to this, and I think that I'll be done. I mean, honestly, when my channel grows, things get a little bit better financially, and I'm not paying this up front, but I'm using money that I've earned from the channel to get different things. And I think what I'll do is I'll honestly get another camera, because I would like to have like a Canon camera where I can change the lenses constantly. To be honest with you, for what I'm doing, I love this camera. I love all the accessories. I highly recommend it. The quality is amazing, and I'm super excited that my videos look better to me. Even if they didn't look better to anybody else, they look better to me. But I think that my subscribers are liking them as well. Boy, I am just thrilled. Check it out. All right, so let's cut it on. And see, these are the buttons here. So I can just, if I wanted to, which I'll put it like this so y'all can see, I can just hit on here if I want to take a picture or if I want to do a video. And it goes into record mode. Yes, yes, yes. I'm thrilled. So this is a vlogging stick, and what I'll be able to do is I will be able to simply hold this a little bit better. So somebody just posted on one of my videos about my stabilization, like how I can stabilize the camera while I'm doing it. So I'm so happy because I'll be able to stabilize it a lot better. Shout out to Erin on demand for my scholarship money, because this is what bought my vlogging stick. And so I didn't buy it originally because the camera kit has cost a whole good bit of money, and I was just like, okay, I'm gonna go easy because I'm not working and I need to be responsible with my money. But I wanted my camera quality to be better, and I wanted my videos to be better, and blah blah blah. So now I could afford this buddy, so I bought it. In addition to buying this, I also bought this. So you guys are like, what the hell is this? As I said in the beginning of the video, this is all a mount so I can put it in my car. So guess what I'm doing with these two things, guys? What I'm gonna start doing is vlogging. I'm gonna do vlogs of my COVID vaccine, and I didn't have this stuff set up with me. I didn't take it with me today when I did my COVID test, and you can see here, bloop, first COVID shot done. But my second one, I'm gonna use this for it. I also want to use this along with my mount to video record my day in the life of an HR director. So I'm so excited about my career because it's moving in a great direction. So just so you guys know, and that's just Riley making all kind of noise back there. Riley, stop making a noise. It's not going to be all glitz and glamour because, you know, just like on your job, you want your HR director to be confidential with your information and blah, blah, blah. So definitely look out. I have a job that's on the beach. I'm super excited about that. So I'm definitely going to take this and try to get some footage for you guys. So look out for that video next. But I will say so far, I love this thing. I've seen nothing but good reviews from it, primarily from like Think Media and a couple others that I watch it with. And so I'm super excited about that, about being able to use my vlogging stick. Super excited about being able to just put my camera on the windshield and you guys can see my view as I'm driving. So I'm hoping that my editing skills are just as good as my recording skills and my new technology. But keep looking, it's coming. So as usual, thank you guys so much for watching another Hey HR video. If you like any of this content, I definitely want you to keep watching. Definitely subscribe if you're interested. And top of that, if you guys want to know more about the other equipment that I got, then definitely check out this video right here. It's going to tell you all about my unboxing of the camera. And at the end, I will have it where you can just click directly on my other accessories. This camera is amazing. I'm super excited to use it with the vlogging stick. Stay tuned if you want to see more content.